In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Chrome default download folder. If you've ever saved something from the web and then wondered where it went, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where Chrome puts your files by default, plus how to make Chrome ask you every time so you stay in control. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner for the three dots that open the menu. Click that, then choose Settings. Settings can feel like a lot to scroll through, so let's jump straight to what we need. Use the search bar at the top of the settings page and type Downloads. This filters the page instantly and takes you right to the Downloads section, saving you time. Here, you'll see an item labeled Location. That path is the exact folder where Chrome saves every file you download from the web unless you tell it otherwise. For many people, it points to the computer's standard downloads folder, but it could be somewhere else if it was changed before. Just knowing what this line says is often all you need to track down a missing file. There's also a faster, on-the-fly way to get to your recent downloads and jump to the folder where they live. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to open Chrome's Downloads page. You'll see a list of recent files with a link under each one that says Show in Folder. Click that, and your computer will open the exact location of that file. It's a quick shortcut when you need to find something you just saved and don't want to dig through settings. If you prefer more control, so files don't pile up in one place, turn on the option that says Ask where to save each file. You'll find this toggle right under the Downloads section in Settings. When it's on, Chrome will prompt you to choose a folder every time you start a download. This is especially helpful if you organize work, personal, and project files in different places. It adds a small extra step at download time, but it can save you from hunting later. That's all there is to it. Use Settings and the Download search to see the default location, press Ctrl and J when you need a quick jump to recent files, and enable asking where to save if you want full control. Never lose a file again. You're all set.